Your Apple Maps category is killing your discoverability. While most local businesses treat Apple Maps categories as an afterthought, AI assistants like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity use these exact categories to filter and rank search results. Choose the wrong category, and you're invisible to 72% of AI-powered local searches. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. Traditional category selection focused on browsing behavior. A customer opens Apple Maps, scrolls through categories like restaurants or coffee shops, and picks one. But in 2026, that's not how discovery works anymore. AI assistants query Apple Maps data programmatically, using category tags as primary filters. When someone asks ChatGPT, find a family-friendly Italian restaurant near me that takes reservations, the AI doesn't browse. It queries Apple Maps with specific category parameters. Casual dining, Italian cuisine, reservation enabled. If your category is listed as generic restaurant instead of Italian restaurant, you don't even make the candidate list. The difference is algorithmic precision versus human interpretation. Humans forgive vague categories. Algorithms don't. Section 2. The hidden category hierarchy that determines AI visibility. Apple Maps uses a three-tier category structure that most businesses never see. Primary category, secondary attributes, and discovery tags. Your primary category appears publicly. Secondary attributes feed into Apple's search algorithm. Discovery tags are invisible metadata that AI assistants use for semantic matching. Most businesses only set the primary category and stop. That's a mistake. The secondary attributes and discovery tags are where AI ranking actually happens. For example, a coffee shop might list cafe as primary category, but if they don't add secondary attributes like breakfast spot, Wi-Fi available, or outdoor seating, they miss every AI query that includes those modifiers. Google AI Overview specifically pulls these attributes when constructing answer cards. Perplexity uses them to rank results by feature match score. Here's the data point that matters. Businesses with fully populated secondary attributes appear in 41% more AI-generated recommendations than competitors with primary category only. Discovery tags go even deeper. These are semantic markers Apple assigns based on review text, website content, and third-party data sources. If customers consistently mention great for remote work in reviews, Apple tags you with the discovery marker coworking friendly. AI assistants query these tags directly. You can't manually set discovery tags, but you can influence them by optimizing your Apple Maps business description, website keywords, and review response patterns to include phrases AI assistants commonly search for. Section 3. The 6 category mistakes that block AI discovery. Mistake number 1. Using the broadest possible category for maximum reach. This backfires with AI search because you lose specificity scoring. A business listed as retail store ranks lower in AI results than one listed as sporting goods store when someone searches for hiking gear. Mistake number 2. Ignoring category synonyms. Apple Maps recognizes multiple category labels for the same business type. Bistro, cafe, and coffee shop are treated as distinct categories with different AI query associations. Choose the label that matches how your target customers describe you in natural language. Mistake number 3. Picking categories based on your product instead of customer intent. A business selling custom picture frames might think art supply store is correct. But if most customers come in for framing services, picture framing shop matches intent better and captures more AI queries. Mistake number 4. Not updating categories when your business model changes. If you added delivery during the pandemic and never updated your category attributes to include delivery available, you're missing every AI query that filters for delivery options. Mistake number 5. Using categories that Apple deprecated. Apple quietly retires outdated categories and merges them into broader tags. Businesses that never migrated to the new category structure get deprioritized in AI results because their metadata is stale. Mistake number 6. Failing to claim and verify your Apple Maps listing. Unverified businesses can't edit categories or attributes, which means you're stuck with whatever auto-generated category Apple assigned you. AI assistants rank verified listings higher because the data is confirmed accurate. Section 4. How to choose AI-optimized categories in 6 steps. Step 1. Search your business name on ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. Note the exact category labels each AI uses when describing you. If they consistently label you as Italian restaurant but your Apple Maps category says restaurant, you have a mismatch. Step 2. Analyze competitor categories for businesses that outrank you in AI results. Use Apple Maps search to find the top 3 competitors in your area. Check their primary and secondary categories. If they're all using family restaurant and you're using casual dining, that's a signal. Step 3. Map customer language to category options. Pull your last 90 days of reviews and search for the nouns customers use to describe your business. If they say coffee shop more often than cafe, use coffee shop as your primary category. Step 4. Prioritize categories with attribute support. Some Apple Maps categories allow more secondary attributes than others. Categories with richer attribute options give AI assistants more query parameters to match against. Step 5. Test category changes with a 2-week validation window. After updating your categories, Track your Apple Maps impression and direction request metrics in Apple Business Connect. If impressions increase 15% or more within 2 weeks, the category change is working. Step 6. Set up quarterly category audits. AI search behavior evolves as language models improve. What works today might need adjustment in 6 months. Review your category performance every quarter and realign with current AI query patterns. Section 5. The future of category-based discovery. Apple is testing dynamic category assignment where the platform automatically adjusts your category based on real-time search behavior and review sentiment. If this rolls out globally, businesses that have clean, consistent metadata will benefit from more accurate auto-categorization. Businesses with messy, incomplete profiles will get stuck with generic defaults. The trend is clear. AI assistants are moving from keyword matching to intent-based semantic search. Categories are becoming orchestration tags that help AI models understand not just what you are, but when and why someone should choose you. If you're still treating Apple Maps categories as a one-time setup task, you're already behind. The businesses that win AI-powered local search are the ones treating categories as living, optimized data that evolves with search behavior. Your move. Log into Apple Business Connect. Audit your category settings against your top 5 competitor profiles, and update your primary and secondary categories based on how AI assistants currently describe businesses like yours. Do this today, and you'll start appearing in AI recommendations within 72 hours. That's how you turn Apple Maps categories into an AI discovery advantage. Check the description for a full Apple Maps optimization checklist and a link to scan your business profile for free.